Formula One or F1 is a generally known worldwide motorsport. F1 is the highest level of professional motor racing. Formula One racing is administered by the FIA, that is International Automobile Federation. The term formula refers to the rules that all competing cars and drivers must adhere to. The goal of Formula One competition is to decide the race winner who competes a predetermined number of laps.
Welcome to Force Edu, a place where all business and supply chain enthusiasts come for a weekly dose of knowledge. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, you're missing out on value-adding content.
The car is designed as a single-seat, open-cockpit, open-wheel racing car designed in Formula One championships. It has two wings, front and back, and an engine at the driver's back. The racing tracks where Formula One races are held are known as circuits. Construction: carbon fiber and ultra-lightweight components are used in chassis. The total weight includes the driver and tires but no fuel. It should not be less than 702 kgs, that is 1548 pounds. All F1 vehicles must now use 1.6-litre turbocharged V6 engines, semi-automatic sequential carbon titanium gearboxes with 8 forward gears and 1 reverse gear, and rear-wheel drive. The steering wheel is equipped with several features such as changing gears, altering brake pressures, etc. These cars use highly regulated combination of regular gasoline that contains only commercial gasoline components and no alcohol compounds. Smooth tread, slick tires have been used since 2009. Disc brakes are fitted with a rotor and caliper on each tire. All F1 vehicles can accelerate from 0 to 100 meters per hour in less than 5 seconds and decelerate to 0 in less than 5 seconds. These cars have clocked high speeds of around 300 km per hour. Design and development. The top teams commence development on new cars more than a season before they are scheduled to race. The process starts with the engine and chassis team leaders discussing on overall strategy and responding to drivers' feedback on current car. The design becomes more elaborate and detailed as the team's focus gradually shifts from building the current car to developing the future one. Additional design experts work on the new car throughout the season. It is in the winter that things come together physically, with externally made pieces evaluated and designs transformed into actual parts. The design office is where car development begins. Teams of employees sit behind CAD, computer-aided design, computers creating complicated 3D drawings of new parts. Different subgroups are responsible for different aspects of the car such as transmission, electronics, mechanical design, aerodynamics, and composite design, which involves designing how parts are built. Aerodynamics is one of the most critical aspects. Usually, teams have 3 to 4 different groups, each focusing on a different aspect. They construct designs to test in CFD to determine which factors should be tested in wind tunnels. Some teams utilized full-scale cars in wind tunnels, but to save expenses, the limit is currently set at 60% to save expenses. Teams are now confined to one tunnel. In the past, Ferrari was known to operate 24/7 in 3 different sites. The maximum speed is 180 km per hour, which means they can't thoroughly evaluate all elements of the car's performance. Depending on where a team ended the previous season, there are additional time constraints on how much time may be spent on CFD and in the wind tunnel. The team in last place spends 25% more time in the tunnel than the current champs. While we bid adieu, could you name the racing team with the record of winning the most races in an F1 season? Write your answers in the comment box. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned to our channel Force Edu for more such informative videos.